Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap your sides according to your story. So let's see what we have for Leos. Hermit on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Knight of Swords. Okay. Most likely outcome. The Page of Cups. Okay. So you are being very intuitive, trying to make up your mind over something, perhaps this relationship, and with the Knight of Swords, this person wants to rush in, is actually rushing in towards you very fast. I don't see you taking any action, but this person is bent upon being manifesting a beginning with you. And here with the Page of Cups, I do see some sort of a communication and a new beginning in this relationship. So let's see, why is this Hermit here for? We have the Page of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Okay, on your side, let's see what's there on your person's side. Why is this Knight of Swords there for? Okay. Four of Cups, the World, and the Six of Pentacles. Out from the Page of Cups. So we have the Lovers, the Queen of Wands, and the Hierophant. Okay. So you have the Page of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. For the Hermit on your side, I see you feeling pretty happy with this relationship. You are feeling very satisfied, very content, though you are not taking any action, but you are definitely waiting for them to come. But you need some sort of maybe a time to take a decision on, but the energy which I am getting here is you are pretty content, and you are definitely waiting for this person desperately to come in. Though you are not even showing it, perhaps you are sitting comfortable because you know that they are coming in and it's making you feel good. And I see you being very, very happy over here. So you're dancing, sort of. That's the vibe which I'm getting. You are waiting for them to come. You are sitting pretty cool, very happy and content in this. And you are dancing on your own. So perhaps deep within you are very happy, but you're not showing it to this person. You are desperate that they should come, and you're desperately waiting for them. Internally you are very, very happy, dancing in your own world, but not showing that to the other person. Perhaps it's not bad, it's okay. Okay, so that's what you are doing. And here with the Knight of Swords, this person is rushing in, as I've told you, with the Four of Cups, the World, and with the Six of Pentacles. This person sees you as, they feel that they have got a gift from God and they don't want to lose it. So that is why they are rushing in towards you. They are investing in you, and they are very, very happy to be with you. That's what I'm getting. They are very, very happy. And with the World, what I see is this person is stepping into a new world. That's what they feel. They are stepping into a new life. And yes, here with the World, and here with this, just see round and round. So they are stepping into perhaps both of you are stepping into a new sphere of your life. Okay, so obviously it is a new sphere of your life, and this person is investing, and I see you on the receiving end more. So and this person is happily doing it. Okay, so they feel they are stepping into a new world, a new phase of their life in a new world, and they are very, very happy. I'm being drawn to the smile again and again. They see you as a wish fulfillment. They are very happy investing in this relationship. And with the Page of Cups, as I said, there is a new beginning over here. We have, as the clarifiers, we have the Lovers, the Queen of Wands, and the Hierophant. Definitely it is a commitment. Definitely it's a soul connection. A very, what I'm actually picking up some sort of intimate moments over here. Deep, intimate, passionate moments. With the Queen of Wands and with the Hierophant, what I'm getting here is it is all about happiness. It's all about happiness and commitment. So definitely you are stepping up into a commitment, maybe even married relationship. It's coming off as not only a small beginning, it is coming up as actually commitment, staying together. You are spending that time and those passionate moments you are having with each other. Definitely you are feeling blessed at this connection, and there is definitely a commitment over here. Stepping up, engagement, marriage, staying together with a long-term relationship in mind. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. So you also need to speak that you love them. Perhaps that is the guidance over here. You need to do that, perhaps because you're not showing them your feelings. That is why I think this card has come up. Speak with love and truth. Honesty is essential. You also need to show your feelings to them. That's what you, and I think you will be doing that, because obviously you can't be so meeting anyone so passionately without opening up. That is the only guidance for you, Leos. I just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.